So you join me today on the banks of my syndicate lake, the Bridge Inn Fishery in Norfolk, and today I'm going to be talking about the Sonik Xtractor 2 carp rod kit and go a little bit more in depth about the features. So you're probably all wondering, what exactly do you get in the kit? So you get 2 extractor reels, 2 extractor rods and a 42-inch extractor landing net. So there's 2 different size options within this kit. You've got a 10-foot option and a 9-foot option. And in the 9-foot versions, you've got a 2.75 pound test curve and a 3 pound test curve. And in the 10-foot versions, you've got a 3.25 and a 3.5 pound test curve. So there you go, that's what you get in the kit and the different variants available within the kit. And now I'm just going to talk through some of the features within the rods. So the main and most important thing about these rods is the fact that they're extractable, and they even go down to 50 centimetres in length, which means that they're perfect for fitting in smaller cars and transporting around the lake. They come in a carpy black finish with super light M-series DL guides. You also get a hard wearing anti-frap tip ring and a line clip built into the rods. And to finish those off, the handles come in a slim shrink wrap handle. So that's the main features of the rod done. Now we're going to take a look at the features on the reels. So the first feature with the reels, they're size 5000, they're nice and compact to go along with the rods. And all reels come with a quick drag system built in. So some of the other features you get in the reel, you get a quick click folding handle, a wooden knob and a line friendly line clip. And last but not least, you've got the extractable landing net. This is 42-inch, and again, this compacts down nice and neat to match the rest of the rods and the reels. So these rod kits are more suited to smaller lakes, but they're also perfect for people just getting into carp fishing. So they make perfect Christmas gifts, maybe even a birthday present, or even if you're looking for a more compact set for yourself. And if you're interested in these, check them out online, in store, or on our AD app.